So after a week missing in action, she was in Frisco for the whole week because she was sick. I finally get her back Friday night.
I totally know this has something to do with the science set.
How do you know?
With diamonds. And actually, because I see diamonds here.
There's no diamonds there.
Yes, there is.
What is that?
What the heck is this? It's a diamond.
When you open it up, bring it closer. It took me like 2 hours to wrap it.
What?
I said it took me a long time to wrap it.
Why?
I don't, because it took me a long time. I wanted it perfect. Can you bring it closer when you're done opening it?
Uh-huh.
Did I do a good job wrapping it?
Uh-huh.
Okay. What does it say? Can you show the camera?
Crystal.
Crystal.
Growing.
And then what does it say under growing? Crystal growing.
Experimental kits.
So you know what that does? You grow your own crystals. Like on the box. Isn't that cool? Can you show the... Let me see. Different... Ooh, look, they're different colors. That's really nice looking. Are you excited to try it?
Uh-huh.
Hi.
Are they real crystals?
Yeah, you grow them. Bye. I'm going to stop the recording now, okay?
Okay.
Say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Can I see you? I want to see your face. It's hard to see with the big puffy jacket. Bye.
Bye.